Ikaw, ano ticket na ba? Yes. Wasabi.
Yep, welcome sir.
This one and this one?
Yeah, the same sir.
Yep. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
slow and easy. People here gentle and calm in Thailand. That's where life is slow and easy. People here gentle and kind. With the smile, joy, the sun and the sea. It's sunny and warm all year round. They call you.
Everybody put your hands. All right, everyone, please don't come. On your
Thank you very much. Beneath my feet, sat by the river and it made me complete. Is this the place? And you is this
All right, come on, come on. One more time. 5, 4, 3,
Come on.
2, come on. 1. All right, let's go. Be careful your hands. And please, everyone, don't touch me for your own safety. Thank you very much. ลูกค้าทุกท่านนะคะโปรดอย่าจับสัญญาณนะคะแล้วก็ระวังศีรษะด้วย
Do we have to sit also? Please don't touch.
Please don't touch this for your own safety. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are now brushing under the Punta Bridge. Please mind your hand and carry me from touching the bridge for all your safety. Because everyone, move down because high level water. Be careful your hands. Move. Everyone move. 5.
Please mind your head. This is much lower, guys.
Alright, please everyone, high level water.
Please, second seat.
Please move down. Move down right now. Move down.
Please, down.
Oh my God. Alright, thank you very much. Thank you for your attention. Thank you very much. Everybody see? Are you okay?
Scary, right? Only in Bangkok. Only in Thailand.
So sorry very much. Alright. Next we have the toy culture show, please. Enjoy the show. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Yeah, you can join us here, guys. Enjoy your night. Come on, once again, red colors on the right side.
Alright, thank you so much. And once again, guys, we're going to pass under the bridge, and tonight the water is so high, and we recommend everybody to please sit on the floor first for your safety, and please don't touch the bridge. Don't refrain from touching it. Yeah, once again, everybody.
Yes. Thank you very much. Please, everyone, move down. Take a seat down on the floor for your own
Thank you so
safety.
much. Yes.
Thank you very much.
If possible, please sit on the floor.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are now crossing under the Punta Bridge. Please mind your hands and kindly refrain from touching the bridge for your own safety. Alright, please, everyone, move
Yes.
down. Take a seat on the floor for your own safety.
Please sit on the floor, on the floor.
ขอความกรุณาลูกค้าทุกท่านนะคะเนื่องจากระดับน้ำขึ้นสูงเพื่อความปลอดภัยของลูกค้าทุกท่านกรุณานั่งที่พื้นนะคะ ต้องขออภัยณที่นี้ด้วยนะคะ
This is the exciting part. Are you ready? Yeah, we have to sit on the floor first.
Alright, let's count down together. Come on, everyone.
And
5, 4. Come on, I'm not here, everyone. One more time.
Yeah, here we go.
3,
guys, sit on the floor if possible.
2. Come on, once. Alright, please, everyone, take a seat down on the floor for your own safety. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everyone. Right now, we're gonna passing already. Come on, and please, everyone, don't touch please. Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Here we go.
Yeah. Come on, please sit down. Alright, you know one more passing.
Yeah, that's
Alright.
lying down. Good, good, good.
Thank you for your attention. Alright, please don't move behind the corner. Passing on Punta Bridge. Alright.
La segunda
Thank
parte.
you so much.
Segunda parte.
Thank you for your cooperation. Ang balakan. Alright, there's another one.
Alright, we have another one. Be careful your head. And please everyone don't touch beach. Thank you very much.
Pandak hindi abot.
Thank you very much. We apologize for any inconvenience for us. Thank you very much ขอบคุณค่ะขออภัยลูกค้าทุกท่านด้วยนะคะที่มาไม่สะดวกในวันนี้ด้วยนะคะ Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your cooperation.
Alright, one more can check my eyes.
Okay, we're going to do it again. Alright, that is so much to read. Everybody stand up and dance. Enjoy your night. We're almost finished.
Good time.
And come on, everyone! It's what to say! Korean, I don't know. Baby, baby, I don't know. So, I don't know. We don't know. Korean, I don't know. Baby, baby, I don't know. Yay!
Claro.